So I'm going to show you how to use linear interpolation to find the median from a grouped frequency table. So we're looking at some lengths. We've been given the intervals, and we've got to find the median. So the first thing we need to check is how many scores we've got. Usually that's actually given in the question, but if not, add up your frequencies. So because we've got a large number and it's an estimate, we can relax the condition on the median and just simply take the number and divide it by 2. Okay, so we don't have to do the n plus 1 on this because of the large numbers, and it's an estimate. So we're looking for the 60th score. Alright, trying to estimate the value of the 60th score. So where is the 60th score? Well, it's not here, there's only 5 there. There's another 53 here, which takes up to 58. So the 60th score then is going to be in this interval, and it's going to be the second score in that interval. So 5 and 53 and 29. 5 and 53 and 2 come to 60. So we know then that we are at the start of the interval is 17. Now sometimes, I'll bring that to show, sometimes these numbers are not the same and we have to go down to like 16.5, but definitely not in this case, because where we end one interval we start the next. So the start of this interval is 17. The fraction of the way through the interval we are is 2/29. So there's 29 scores in the interval, and we want to be the second because we want to be the 60th score overall, and we know that 2, 53 and 5 makes 60. Now the interval width is 2, and that really is all there is to it. So start of the interval times a fraction of the way through it times the interval width. So that will give us 17 plus 2 divided by 29 and time. So let's do that again actually. So it's 4 over 29, 4 divided by 29 equals, and plus 17. So I come up with an answer of 17.14. And that's linear interpolation to find the median. If I was finding the quartiles, then I would take the 30th for the lower quartile, and it would be in here. And then I'd take the 90th and I'd have to work out which interval it was up here and do precisely the same. So the method is exactly the same for the quartiles. You've simply got to find different values. So in this particular case, as I've said, the 30th and the 90th for the upper and lower, but the technique is exactly the same as I've just shown you. So it is fiddly linear interpolation, but you practice 3 or 4 of them and you'll have no trouble at all.